And I have a...
Noisy
You
puppy.
were not invited. And I have here a big, old box.
What is in the box? Comment below before she opens it if you have an idea on what this is.
I don't think anybody's going to guess. They're all going to say Stitch. Because that's what my fans think. So they're going to be wrong. But I will give you all a little hint.
So it has something to do with the Build-A-Bear Workshop Company.
Yes. So, let's show everybody what I've got. First and foremost,
Oh!
I have a cow dressed as Gimli.
Oh, the hat needs fixed, but he's so cute.
He's supposed to have a sound, but I don't know where they put it.
Well, we will fix him. Hang on. We will
Wait,
fix.
is that it?
No, that's a patch.
No, that's here.
Is it on?
I don't know. I have to... And then he makes 5 sayings.
I wish he said though. That only counts as one.
But still only counts as 1. Next,
So can you all kind of guess what this is going to be? Oh,
we have a Cloaca.
Oh,
Who
Frodo
is dressed like Frodo. I don't know which paw has this. Here's
There
the
it is.
sound.
Oh, look at how precious! You did a good job picking out different animals
I
for
had
these.
a lot of fun picking out different animals. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Just a little Gollum.
Oh no.
Just a little Gollum because
This thing is
we
terrifyingly
need one.
cute and creepy. Though.
Well, Gollum is always cute and creepy. Now, are you ready for the next one?
There's more. Oh!
You forgot to take the wizard staff!
Oh, the
And
raccoon.
here is the sound. Full of a toque.
Oh, yeah. Okay. They need a little fixie, but that's so cute.
Yes, and then the last one. Wait, he needs a little fixie. Please hold.
Have you fixed the last one?
I have, and it is the pièce de résistance.
Oh, with the accent.
Puisque je parle français couramment. Donc, le final Build-A-Bear is the one, the only, Legolas Greenleaf. And he says...
They're taking the hobbits to Isengard!
No, we lost the hair. But you also... So, all right. So you used... So you have, though, the official new Lord of the Rings bear.
This is the Lord of the Rings bear, and he has the map of the Shire on the one paw, and then the other one says Lord of the
The
Rings.
eyes are so pretty.
They're so cute, and I'm excited.
All right, please hold, because we've got to do a little... I fixed Gimli
gotta
a
do
little
some
bit.
zhuzhing.
We got to do some zhuzh. We have a problem, though.
I need to yeet.
Yes.
Yeet!
Bravo. So what do you think?
I now have all of the Lord of the Rings characters in bear form, well, animal form.
You're going on an adventure?
I'm going on an adventure.
With not a rocket ship.
Not a rocket ship, no.
I think there's only one appropriate thing now.
Yes.